Hello and welcome to another simple tech review. Today we'll be having a look at the PTU-71 2H dual wireless microphone system from Phenyx Pro. But before we begin, please consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. The PTU-71 2H is one of Phenyx Pro's UHF dual handheld wireless microphone systems that is perfect for musical gigs, presentations, karaoke, or any audience setup. Let's begin with a quick unboxing. Having a closer look, the microphones have a solid metal build and use two AA batteries that can last up to 8 hours of use. They have a dynamic cardioid pattern for great audio capture. On the front of the microphones, you can see the power and mute button, a small display that shows information such as group, channel, mute, and battery level. There's also an IR blaster in case you need to pair the microphones with the receiver base. The microphone's base clear display shows the group, channel, and frequency for each microphone, which can be easily adjusted with the face buttons. But you don't need to worry about this since everything is already set up for you from the start with the auto scan feature. There are also individual volume knobs for each microphone to get the perfect balance. The microphone's active range is up to 328 feet with its dual BNC antennas. To use the microphones, simply plug in the receiver base with the power supply, connect the output either by XLR or the audio jack to a speaker system, insert the batteries into the microphones, power everything up, and you're good to go, since everything pairs nicely with the auto scan function. All that is left now is to enjoy the rich, uninterrupted sound which you will get from these microphones. In conclusion, if you're looking for a solid, no hassles handheld microphone system that has the same quality as professional systems that cost much more but don't want to break the bank or compromise, then the PTU-71 2H from Phenyx Pro are a great option. If you'd like to check out this set of microphones or any of the many others offered by Phenyx Pro, don't forget to click on the link in the video description below. Now, if you'd excuse me, I got some singing to do. I'll see you on our next review.